Circle's vision for a new internet financial system aims to increase global economic prosperity by enabling frictionless exchange of value. They believe blockchain technology can transform the financial system, making it more efficient, safe, and accessible. The current financial system relies on outdated infrastructure from the 1970s and 1980s, which leads to high costs, slow transaction times, and significant risks. The new internet financial system could address these inefficiencies by reducing costs and latency, increasing transparency, and using safer collateral. This system would allow for faster and cheaper transactions, increased security, and new opportunities for financial innovation. With blockchain technology, smart contracts can automate and enforce financial arrangements online, reducing the need for intermediaries. The potential benefits of this system are substantial, including increased money velocity, new opportunities for finance and commerce, and greater economic inclusion for underserved populations. According to the World Bank, approximately 1.4 billion adults globally are unbanked, and the new internet financial system could facilitate their inclusion in the financial system. By building on the principles of the internet, such as open software and public networks, Circle envisions a financial system that is more accessible, efficient, and beneficial to society as a whole. This system would enable people and businesses to transact more freely and frictionlessly, potentially leading to exponential growth in value exchange. The Circle stablecoin network plays a crucial role in the new internet financial system, facilitating the store and transfer of value through stablecoins like USDC and EURC. These digital currencies function at internet speed, enabling near-instantaneous transactions and settlement, as well as programmability that unlocks new capabilities and use cases. Circle's strategy is to build the largest and most widely used stablecoin network in the world, leveraging the network effects of stablecoins. The more users that adopt a stablecoin, the more utility it has, which in turn drives more people to use it. USDC is the foundation of the Circle stablecoin network. To drive growth, Circle focuses on building and promoting a suite of products that foster the expansion of the Circle stablecoin network. This includes ensuring readily available access to Circle stablecoins globally, working with financial institutions, and providing easy-to-use tools for developers. Critical to their growth strategy are numerous partnerships with leading financial and internet technology firms such as Grab, Mercado Libre, Nubank, SBI Holdings, and Binance. Circle's partnerships aim to bring the benefits of the internet financial system to users by building upon their products. They also collaborate with leading global market makers and liquidity providers like Cumberland and explore integrating Circle stablecoins as collateral and settlement in derivative markets with intercontinental exchange holdings. The Circle stablecoin network's growth is driven by developers building new applications and use cases, and Circle fosters this ecosystem through programs like the Circle Developer Programs, hackathons, and industry sponsorships. Making blockchain technology accessible and easy to use for both developers and end users is key to global adoption. The monetization of the Circle stablecoin network is driven by its growth and the introduction of new products that expand its utility. Circle earns reserve income on USDC reserve assets and believes their current revenue model has been successful. As the network grows, Circle may seek to monetize activity on the network with fee-based products and explore new opportunities, such as yield-bearing digital assets. Stablecoins can facilitate the store and transfer of value in the new internet financial system, driving its advancement and adoption. Circle focuses on building and operating payment stablecoins, which are designed to be efficient forms of payment and fully backed by reserves consisting of highly liquid, price-stable cash and cash equivalents. Their stablecoins, USDC and EURC, provide a safe and sound foundation as digital currencies and a bridge between blockchain and traditional finance. USDC and EURC are liquid, stable and digitally native forms of US dollars and euros, respectively, built on an open protocol and a regulatorily compliant platform. They maintain 24/7, borderless, and near-instant value transfer capabilities, and are redeemable on a one-for-one basis for the underlying fiat currency. Circle's payment stablecoins are regulated as stored value instruments under FinCEN money services businesses, regulation and state money transmission laws in the US, and as electronic money tokens in Europe. Circle plays an active role in driving stablecoin adoption through various initiatives. They invest in technology innovation to scale and simplify the use of stablecoins, prioritizing comprehensive access and distribution, and providing market education and thought leadership. Circle also supports the development of sound regulatory policy, engaging constructively with policymakers and regulators worldwide. Additionally, Circle promotes open standards to improve interoperability and compliance for stablecoin applications, including non-profit open-source foundations for digital identity, global standards for implementing compliance with the travel rule, and open-source standards for promoting the use of stablecoins in blockchain-based credit and lending applications. By building one of the largest and most widely used stablecoin networks, Circle aims to advance stablecoin adoption and drive the growth of the internet financial system. Their efforts focus on making stablecoins accessible, widely distributed, and easy to use while also promoting regulatory clarity and industry standards. The market opportunity for the Circle stablecoin network encompasses the entire global monetary supply, which is expected to grow as developing nations increasingly participate in the globally interconnected financial marketplace. By removing friction inherent in the current financial services ecosystem, the internet financial system has the potential to exponentially grow the speed and efficiency of money transactions. Circle operates one of the largest and most widely used stablecoin networks in the world, anchored around USDC, their US dollar-denominated payment stablecoin. Their suite of stablecoins and related products provides a network utility and application platform for a wide range of organizations to benefit from stablecoins and the new internet financial system. The Circle stablecoin network touches over 600 million users worldwide and has facilitated over $25 trillion in on-chain transactions, with $5.9 trillion in transactions occurring in the first quarter of 2025 alone. USDC and EURC are digital currency tokens issued natively on blockchain networks, backed by reserves consisting of highly liquid, price-stable cash and cash equivalents. Circle's platform, products, and ecosystem include Circle stablecoins, Circle tokenized funds, blockchain infrastructure products, and developer services. Circle tokenized funds, such as USYC, are regulated yield-bearing investments for collateral use in capital markets, offering yield to token holders generated from invested assets. The acquisition of Hashnote Holdings LLC and its TMMF, USYC, enables Circle to enter the rapidly emerging TMMF space with a well-established tokenized stable yield product. USYC serves as an on-chain representation of shares in the Hashnote International Short Duration Yield Fund and is intended primarily for use as collateral on digital asset trading platforms. Circle plans to integrate USYC into the Circle stablecoin network, offering eligible customers the ability to move between non-yield-bearing Circle payment stablecoins and USYC at the settlement speed of the blockchain. This integration aims to enhance interoperability and enable investors to quickly transition between TMMFs and stablecoins. Circle Liquidity Services provide institutional minting, reserving, redemption, and foreign exchange services for Circle stablecoins. Circle Mint is a service offering that provides institutional customers with USDC and EURC-related services, such as minting, redeeming, and sending and receiving Circle stablecoins. Circle Mint supports international wires and domestic bank transfers in over 185 countries, and provides customers with a powerful user interface, advanced security, and workflow and API capabilities. To open a Circle Mint account, potential customers must submit an application and pass screening processes, including ID verification, KYC checks, and sanction screening. Circle Developer Services aim to help developers and enterprises build, deploy, and operate end-user applications on blockchain networks. Circle Wallets is a programmable wallet solution designed for developers to provide Web3-enabled wallets to their end users, enabling them to securely store and transact with digital assets. Circle Wallets remove friction typically associated with using on-chain apps, replacing complex user experiences with familiar patterns like PIN codes and biometric authentication. USDC support plays a central role in Circle Wallets, enabling end users to easily make and receive USDC payments. Circle Gas Station is a feature within Circle Wallets that enables application developers to remove the need for end users to pay gas fees for using blockchain applications. Circle Contracts empower developers to integrate and build with smart contracts without needing to learn a new coding language and by reusing existing smart contract templates. Circle Paymaster is an on-chain smart contract that allows developers and end users to pay gas fees in USDC instead of the blockchain's native tokens. Circle CCTP enables end users to safely and cost-efficiently transfer USDC across different blockchain networks. These services work together to enable existing Web2 developers, internet-enabled businesses, and financial institutions to more easily offer Web3 capabilities, including using USDC as a means of payment and settlement within consumer internet, e-commerce, and finance applications. The Circle stablecoin network is built on blockchain infrastructure, with a family of smart contracts that provide the core functionality of the network. These smart contracts offer a protocol for applications to easily store and transfer Circle stablecoins and are available as open-source software. USDC is natively supported on 20 blockchains, with more expected in the future, enabling developers to provide dollar storage and settlement features in the digital asset space. The Circle stablecoin network depends on multiple open protocols and networks, similar to how large internet companies rely on underlying open internet protocols and networks. The Circle stablecoin ecosystem comprises thousands of companies providing products and technologies that integrate with the Circle stablecoin network. This includes wallets and consumer apps that reach hundreds of millions of end users, digital asset exchanges that support the trading and exchange of USDC, and traditional exchanges exploring use cases for USDC. Other key players in the ecosystem include custodians that store and custody USDC for corporate and institutional end users, blockchain networks that enable developers to integrate and use USDC, and blockchain protocols that offer building blocks for financial and commercial applications. Banks and neobanks play an important role in the ecosystem, providing settlement and reserve infrastructure for Circle stablecoins, while payments companies are integrating the Circle stablecoin network into their offerings as a means of settlement. Market makers and liquidity providers supply USDC to various venues and distribution channels, ensuring its wide accessibility. The Circle stablecoin network's value grows as more companies and services connect into its network and infrastructure, increasing its reach and utility. Circle continues to explore opportunities to expand its product offerings, complementing and increasing the usage and utility of Circle stablecoins and the Circle stablecoin ecosystem. Circle has launched a new product initiative called Circle Payments Network, CPN, a technology service that connects eligible financial institutions to facilitate real-time settlement of payments using regulated stablecoins like USDC and EURC. CPN is designed to support a broad spectrum of money movement use cases and will enable third-party developers to build advanced modules and automated financial workflows directly on top of CPN. Circle Reserve Management is central to the company's operations, ensuring liquidity and preservation of reserve assets. The Circle stablecoin network benefits from the strength and risk management capabilities of leading financial institutions that are part of its reserve management infrastructure. Circle holds reserves in a manner designed to ensure liquidity and preservation of reserve assets, limiting Circle stablecoin reserves to highly liquid financial instruments and holding reserves in accounts titled FBO holders of USDC and EURC. As of March 31, 2025, Circle held approximately 90% of USDC reserves in the Circle Reserve Fund, a government money market fund managed by BlackRock, with assets held in custody by the Bank of New York Mellon. The remaining portion of USDC reserves is held as cash in accounts with global systemically important banks, GSIBs, and other banks that facilitate the flow of funds from reserves to Circle Mint customers. Core to Circle's reserve management infrastructure is reporting and independent assurance, with full transparency into assets comprising Circle stablecoin reserves provided on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Independent, third-party monthly assurance over the value and composition of these assets is also provided by a leading public accounting firm. Circle liquidity services are integrated with the existing financial system, providing robust primary liquidity and facilitating conversions between Circle stablecoins and fiat currency. Circle has built a robust banking infrastructure with onboarding at settlement banks that provide primary market liquidity infrastructure, enabling the flow of funds to and from Circle Mint customers. For more on Circle and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.